Our temperatures will just continue to take off now that we are into the afternoon. We're just a little bit away from our peak heat, but temperatures for now are holding into the mid 80s. We have 84 for Bowling Green, same for Adrian. We do have 87 in Wauseon, and we also have 83 for Sandusky and Port Clinton. Now I do anticipate some 90s, and well, you already can feel the humid and muggy air that we have outside. So if you're going to Wood County Fair this afternoon, plan on temperatures to be into the mid 90s. That on its own is hot. But then when we add the humidity, it's going to be feeling muggy out there. So just make sure you're staying hydrated, but also pack the WTOL 11 weather app because there are some rain chances for the later half of the day. But before we talk about the rain, let's talk about the heat. We are going to see temperatures climbing to what will feel like 100 degrees outside, maybe even around 101 for some of our communities. So it is just going to feel downright hot outside. And even into the evening, we'll still hold on to some of that heat. Now, looking at the muggy meter, you may say, oh, well, that bar is kind of small for today. It's still going to be feeling muggy. The issue is that we just have more heat and humidity coming for not only the rest of the work week, but also into the weekend as well. So be prepared to say ugh for Saturday, Sunday, and even before we get there. Because the heat and the humidity, we do have that heat advisory. That is for everybody in Northwest Ohio and in Southeast Michigan. That is now coming into play, and it'll be all the way through the afternoon and into the evening as well. Around 8 o'clock, we'll see that expire as those temperatures start to drop. That's also, though, when I'm going to be keeping an eye to radar, because you are going to find that the sun, well, that is going to turn over to a little bit of cloud cover. Before dinner time, we will have some evening thunderstorms. I'm not anticipating severe weather, but some heavy downpours and some gusty winds will be possible. This boundary, that's going to slide through town, and we'll still have a few scattered showers here and there. But as we head into Thursday morning, we'll still be tracking at least a few more downpours, and throughout the day, the rain activity will be a little more scattered. It'll be here and there, so plan on some dry moments tomorrow, but also be prepared for some wet moments as well. I did get the paintbrush out and painted some rain chances here to get us through the rest of this week, because that moisture that we have on Thursday is going to linger a little bit into Friday as well. But as far as the weekend, we have dry weather, so you can enjoy the sunshine. We do have a few showers that'll be here by Monday, but then the rest of the forecast, it's quiet. The forecast is dry, plenty of sun, sunglasses weather. The one thing that I'm really eyeing, though, is that you will find temperatures that, though they're in the 90s for the weekend, they don't last into next week. We'll see those to be into the mid 80s. Sounds a little more comfortable rather than 95, don't you think?
Yeah, you know, I mean, I was complaining about the mugginess earlier today, but it's August. What are you gonna do?
It is, and I know some people have already switched to thinking fall, so I just think this is Mother Nature's way of saying, no, not yet.
I did light a fall candle last night.
No, see, today's forecast is you, 95. Okay, so when are you gonna light that candle again? I'll know it's gonna be hot that day.
Maybe I'll just hold off.
Okay, that's better.
I'll just hold off so we don't get muggy anymore.
Yeah, don't rush it.
Thanks, Diane.